Hi everyone, welcome back to Unreal with Usman. In today's video, I am going to show you how you can create an AI site detections and chase system in Unreal Engine 5. We already created an AI random roam system in previous video where the AI randomly roams around the levels. I will also put the video of that link in the description. As you can see, the AI is randomly roam around the level and it is moving to different locations. But when I move closer to the AI and enter its site radius, it automatically detect us and automatically stop its randomly roam behavior and start following chases. As I keep moving, the AI continuously follow me and chase me. And when the player get out of its sight radius, for like 1 second or 2 second or whatever the value I can set, it stop randomly roaming and stop chasing the players and move back to its randomly roam behavior. So in this video, we can make a complete AI site detection system and chase system in Unreal Engine 5. And without wasting our time, let's get started. As you can see, I am in a default Unreal Engine third person character template. On here, first I copy my BP third person character blueprint class and go in my third person and in enemies A and paste the class on here. I already paste that class and rename it to BP enemy AI. I just open it that class and here is my simple code where I put my AI randomly roam behavior. You can also see that video where I put the link of that video in the description. On here, I just add a new component called pawn sensing. After adding pawn sensing, it will give me some AI different values like hearing threshold or sight radius, like how far the AI sees us. I just put it to default value and also the peripherals visions angles, that how much the angle we want to see it's us. And just make sure you can check the C spawn block and it is already checked by default. After that, I scroll down and just select on C spawn. What does this event do? This event runs when the AI sees the pawn inside its vision angle. After that, I just add in a sequence node and just search for the AI move to node, and for the pawn, I just select it to self and connect it to the 0 pin of the sequence node. For the target actor, I just connect it to the pawn pin of the on C spawn because it tells the AI when actor it should move towards. So it should move towards. I just connect to the pawn. So whenever it sees the pawn, it should start chasing the pawn. And for the sequence 2, I just add a re-triggerable delay. What does this delay do? It treats the small waiting times before updating the AI movement again. So just make sure that its duration is greater than 0.5 because we have a sensing interval that the value is 0.5. So if I set its value to 0.5, I just make sure that my values on duration must be greater than 0.5. I just put it the one. I think that it works best for me. And after that retriggerable delay, you can again add to this AI move to node and just for the destination just add and get active locations, or just connect it to completed pin, or you can also add stop movement immediately. But I just want that after a retriggerable delay, I just want my AI randomly roam behavior to active again. So I just connect my AI enemy roam on here. So after compile it, save it. So let's get tested. Also make sure that on here you just add a nav mesh bound volume. So just make sure that after adding this, your AI enemy just start randomly roaming and also the chasing the player. Now after that, just I select my BP enemy AI and drop it to the level. When I drop it to level, you can see that it creates the radius or like on pawn sensing, hearing, or peripheral visions angle. You can also put your enemy AI into the level and adjust these values according on here. And I should go my default values. I think that these work perfect for me. Now, as you can see, the AI randomly roams around the level from one location to another locations. And when I enter its side detections, it automatically detects us and stop its randomly roaming behavior and start following chases. And as I keep moving, the AI continuously follows me and chases me. And whenever I get out from its radius for the interval, like I set it to 1 second, it stops chasing us and start its randomly roam behavior. So, and that's all for this tutorial. If it helps you, don't forget to like and subscribe my Unreal Engine channel. And if you have any question, feel free to ask me in the comment section. And thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.